Welcome everyone to today's video on setting SMART goals. Whether you're aiming for personal growth or looking to excel in your business endeavors, understanding and implementing the SMART technique can be a game changer. In the next few minutes, we'll explore what SMART goals are, how to use the SMART technique effectively, and how it can help you achieve success in both life and business. So, let's dive right in.
But real quick, if you find content like this helpful or entertaining, please smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. If you'd like to be notified more videos are released to help you live your best life, please follow the channel, click post notifications, and share with your friends.
To begin, let's understand what SMART goals are. SMART is an acronym that stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This framework provides a structured approach to goal setting, helping us create clear and actionable objectives. The first element is specific. When setting a goal, be precise about what you want to achieve. Instead of saying, I want to improve my fitness, a specific goal would be, I want to run a marathon within the next 6 months. Moving on to the second element, measurable. Goals should be quantifiable, allowing you to track your progress. For instance, if your goal is to increase sales, set a specific target, such as I want to increase sales by 15% in the next quarter. Achievable is our third element. Achievable goals should be realistic and attainable. While it's great to aim high, it's crucial to ensure that your goals are within your capabilities and resources. Set challenging yet realistic targets that stretch your potential without overwhelming you. Moving on to the fourth element, relevant. Goals should align with your broader objectives and be meaningful to your life or business. Ensure that your goals contribute to your overall vision and values. For example, if you want to grow your business, setting a goal to improve customer satisfaction would be relevant. Finally, the fifth element is time-bound. Goals need to have a specific time frame or deadline. By setting a deadline, you create a sense of urgency and focus. It helps prevent procrastination and allows you to measure your progress effectively. Now that we understand what SMART goals are, let's discuss how to use the SMART technique effectively. Here are a few steps to guide you. 1. Start by identifying your long-term objectives or vision. 2. Break down these long-term goals into smaller, actionable steps. 3. Apply the SMART framework to each of these smaller goals. And 4. Review and refine your goals periodically to ensure they remain relevant and aligned with your evolving needs. Now, let's explore how setting SMART goals can help you achieve success in both life and business. When you set specific goals, you gain clarity about what you want to achieve. This clarity allows you to prioritize your efforts and allocate your resources effectively. That's your 3-minute overview of SMART goals. Until next time, keep striving towards your goals.